Good morning. But for real this morning, good morning. Welcome to the Mustang episode 7. We're going to do some butt stuff today. So, as you can see, we are not at the shop. We are in the ghetto from whence I sprang. And today we have two products we're going to be installing. One is a replacement decklid panel that has been castrated of its pony. I prefer this clean look. If I had to be honest, I much prefer this. No knock on the pony, but it's a little boomer, so we're going to get rid of that. The other thing is a little bit of aero. I don't think this is particularly functional, but this is the MP Concepts blade spoiler. They used to make this in a really cool clear acrylic, which looked totally space age, but they discontinued that because nobody bought it, because everyone's a pussy. So all I could get was this matte black one, and that'll do. For the character of the car, I think it'll do. So let's get started. Always gives me the willies. Oh. Yes. Best feeling in the world. Well, that looks pretty good. Not without its challenges, but it looks pretty good. I'll take it. Okay, so for the second part of this, we're going to be replacing this with this. Helps clean up the look of the car a lot, in my opinion, and gets rid of the pony. I'm not like biased against the pony, I'm not pony phobic, but I don't know, does it really need to be there? Probably not. thus concludes episode 7. So we have ourselves a wonderful spoiler. We have a replacement decklid panel with no pony. Again, I'm not pony phobic, I just don't want them around my kids. And yeah, this looks really good. I'm happy we managed to finish this off. So I have a few more things coming as well, some lighting, which will probably form the bulk of episode 8. And then episode 9, if I had to guess, is probably going to be a custom tune from either Stratified or Unleashed, one of the two. I have to talk to Tori and see if he can still do non-emission stuff. Probably not. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, feel free to stick around, like, subscribe, all that. Make fun of me in the comments. I do this for me, but it's nice to have you along if you enjoy it. Thank you.